Watch him.
Wow.
See what he's doing?
Yeah.
He's twisting it up. Look how he's twisting it. So he's going to get them all twisted.
Yeah.
See how he's making like a little cocoon around it? See that?
Oh man.
Look how fast he is. Is that cool? So now he's biting them. Now he's wrapping them up. What'd you say, baby?
There's his wings. Wow.
Look how fast his legs are moving.
Maybe he wants like maybe he wants some more.
Now he's checking out his other one. It's still there, Spider.
Oh yeah.
Pretty wild. Firecracker the spider? I like that name. Firecracker the spider.